lot of things that we can learn. There are differences with the UK, for example, that there is a society that is built on the assumption that a dollar spent on one thing cannot be spent on something else. Economists generally understand that, although in the US we actually act as if that is not a law of nature. We spend it on one thing, we spend it on another thing. We don't acknowledge that we're making choices, and that's why our spend is going up so quickly. I think the better use of these value frameworks with some kind of limits and I think are key part of managing drug costs. Again, in most of these other countries, having those frameworks doesn't actually limit access to drugs. It sends a signal to a manufacturer that a drug needs to be priced at a certain point in order to be considered appropriate, and the manufacturers, who are very smart, price it to that point. So I think we can learn how to better use those as part of our total approach to managing for value in drugs.